Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play King Krule on Guitar Easy Guide. Tune to standard E, set a clean tone with mild reverb, and start with simple minor chord shapes. Focus on slow, loose strumming and sparse picking to capture the mood. Practice moving between chords with subtle dynamics, adding occasional hammer-ons and slides. Keep phrases roomy and let notes breathe to match that moody, jazz-inflected style. Begin with M and M as your foundation, then layer C Maj 7 and G for texture and movement. Incorporate minor seventh voicings to get that smoky, jazzy flavor. Work each change slowly, locking rhythm and tone before speeding up. Use a metronome and focus on relaxed wrist motion to maintain groove. Accent sparse beats and leave space between phrases so each note rings with character and atmosphere. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep snacks tidy between practice sessions and avoid sticky messes on your amp. They stack neatly, seal tight, and save time so you can focus on playing instead of cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Craft short, repeating riffs that lean on melody more than complexity, and let silence be part of the sound. Dial amp settings for clean warmth, add mild chorus and moderate reverb to fill the room without washing out detail. Focus on syncopation and dynamic shifts, pulling back on some strums while accenting others. Small bends and slides bring emotional weight, so play deliberately and listen for spaces that enhance the mood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.